Pros and cons of round windows in your house. Dear friends, you have probably only seen round glass windows in the dreamily rustic houses of hobbits like Frodo and Bilbo Baggins, fictional characters who have come to life from the film adaptations of J.R.R. Tolkien's iconic novels like Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit. Beyond its whimsical appeal, did you know that round windows can also be functional in modern houses, too? In this video, we will discuss the pros and cons of round glass windows. The benefits of round glass windows. A well-placed round window, an nautical or whimsical characteristic to your home. It immediately gives your home a unique quality that you can be proud about. While they have that old-world charm, round glass windows can also fit perfectly in contemporary home architectural designs. It ushers in an abundance of natural light even in areas where curtains are drawn. A round glass window serves as a creative technique to beautifully frame outdoor sceneries, which works anywhere from blooming flower gardens, verdant forests, rolling hills, snow-capped mountains, vivid cityscapes, or picturesque seascape views. It is an excellent way to get access to light and fresh air in rooms that have limited wall space or that are awkwardly shaped. The downside of round windows. On the contrary, having round glass windows at home can also come with a couple of disadvantages. For instance, there can be limited options when it comes to available opening mechanisms and window treatments for this type of specialty-shaped vinyl window, which means you'd have to get everything custom-made. Moreover, for fixed round windows that cannot be opened, they would obviously be useless in terms of letting a cool breeze in. However, by doing some extra effort you can make them openable with some limitations. We will definitely take this topic in some other video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Lod's channel How to Make My House.